Hey guys, today we are going to talk about one of the databases in the Mesquite ISD portal. Remember, all the databases are available to students under the Library Services tab. And the database we're going to talk about today is Britannica Elementary School. It is available to all students in elementary in grades pre-K through 5th grade. So when I click on the tab, this is what the home page looks like. Up at the top, there is a search bar. So if students go into this database and they know what they're wanting to look for, they can just type in what they want. This is kind of an area of the home page that's just trying to pique some curiosity. It's going to ask the kids to watch a video and answer a question, or look at a picture and answer the question. And I did notice on the fourth tab, this is the animal kingdom. So if kids are wanting to explore the animal kingdom, they can go in here and click on the different tabs, and it will take them to different articles or even more subgroups of mammals. So that's always fun. Remember, if you want to go back to the home page, just click on the home key and it will take you back. Down at the bottom, these are just some different things that are already divided up. So if kids were interested in a location, they can click on the atlas and it will bring up the world map. As they click on the atlas, it will scroll in. And as they start scrolling in, you're going to notice that there are summary, profile, and related articles available. So it's assuming I'm going into Brazil. So if I want a summary about Brazil, I can just click on that. And if I find it interesting and I want to read more, I can click on Read Article. Profile is a great chart that just shows, the different information about the country. And then related are just related articles to the country of Brazil. So if students wanted to dig into some of these and they found them interesting, they can click on them and it will take them to that. So you can also type in right here, like if you're wanting to go to a specific place and not click on the map, you can do that. So I can type in Mexico and it's going to take me there. So I don't necessarily have to find it on the map. I can type it in as well. So once again, I'm going to click on my home key to go back to the home page. Under the biographies tab, it basically lists all the different biographies that are available in the database according to the letter of the alphabet that they fall under. So if kids don't really know who they're wanting to search for and they just want to see what's available, I would recommend you go in and search through here. We can click on letter M and it will come up with a list of everybody who's available under letter M. Now, if they know who they're wanting to search for, they can just go up here to the search bar and type in that name and it's going to populate those different articles. So if I type in Rosa Parks, it's going to just go ahead and bring up articles about her. You're going to notice on my screen, there's a level 1, 2, and 3. Students should not have levels 2 and 3 because these are for middle school and high school. Elementary will probably just have level 1. So if you click on an article, basically what it looks like is it has your introduction and then it will have different tabs that cover more information about that person or that topic. If you see anything that is in blue, you can click on it and it's a related article. So I clicked on Martin Luther King, so it brought up an article about him. And you're going to notice that over here on this side of the screen, there are just different pictures for the kids to look at, which is really neat. If you click on the picture, it makes it bigger. And it also down at the bottom gives a description of the picture. I have also noticed that here on the right-hand side, if they want the article translated, they can click on Translate, and they can select their language that they want it translated into. So with Britannica School, if students are also lost and want to figure out how to get to the home page, they can always click on Britannica School, and they're going to have to pick their level. So, of course, I'm going to pick elementary. So, there's some other options like Explore the United States. There is a pre-K through 2nd fundamentals, which has just basic games for the kids that they want to play. And of course, this one has a rating option for them. Then I also noticed that there's also compare countries. So if you're wanting to compare articles side by side about different countries, you can pick country number 1, pick country number 2, and it will give them a side by side comparison of them. And that is really cool. So Of course, our kids are really smart kids and they know how to navigate the internet and databases. So if you have the time, I would definitely recommend that you let them go in and explore these. These, like I said, are available at home to students 24/7. Parents, your students should know their login because they are logging into the portal regularly at home. But if for some reason they get home and they don't know it, you might just send their teacher an email and the teacher can help you navigating this. I hope that this was helpful for you, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.